A question says that 7 times log 16 over 15, base is not mentioned over here, so we can take any base, that is either 10 or natural log or base 2, whatever it is, but no base is mentioned over here, and that means that same base will be applicable for all the 3 logs. The second term is 5 log 25 over 24 plus 3 log 81 over 80, and we need to find its value. It might appear a bit difficult, but actually it is not. Let us see how to do this question. We can write it as log 16 over 15 whole to the power 7. How? We know that we have a formula that says that if we have log x to the base a with x having power m, that is equals to m times log x to the base a, that is, that power comes into the multiplication. So what we can do, we can reverse it also. This value turns out to be this one. So by that property itself, we have taken that 7 over there in the power of 16 over 15 plus log 25 over 24 to the power 5, and the last expression, that is this one, that will turn out to be log 81 over 80 whole to the power 3. Now what we will do, we will convert each and every term, that is this 16, 15, 25, 24, 81, 80 into the prime factors, and try to make the power of 2 only, 2, 3 or whatever prime number over there. So log 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 and 15 can be written as 3 times 5, and we have whole raised to the power 7. Next term is log 25 over 24. So what we can write? We can write 25 as 5 square, and 24 can be written as 8 times 3. So that will become 2 to the power 3, because 8 is what? 2 to the power 3 times 3, and whole to the power 5. Now the last term, log of 81 over 80. So that can be, 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4, and 80 can be written as 16 times 5. So that can be written as log 81 will be 3 to the power 4, 80 will be 16 times 5, 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 times 5, and the whole power raised to 3. Now this 7 will multiply it by 4, so that will give log 2 to the power 28, and this 7 will multiply with the power 1 of 3 and power 1 of 5, so we will be having 3 to the power 7 times 5 to the power 7 plus second expression will be log. This 5 will multiply it by 2, that will give 5 to the power 10. This power 3 will multiply it by 5, so that will give 2 to the power 15 plus, times 3 to the power 5 plus log 4 times 3, that will be 12, so 3 will be having the power 12 over here, 4 times 3, so 2 will be having power 12 over here, and 5 will be having power 3 over here. Now we know one formula that says that if we have log x to the base a plus log y to the base a plus log z to the base a, that can be written as log x times y times z to the base a. Yes, we know this formula, so we will be applying this formula on this given expression. So we will be having log the same base which we don't know, maybe 10 or 2 or whatever it is, all the values, that this value and this value, from the formula we can relate it with x, we can relate this with y, and we can relate this with z. So we are going to multiply each of them. So we will be having 2 to the power 28 over 3 to the power 7 times 5 to the power 7 multiplied by 5 to the power 10, 2 to the power 15, which is multiplied by 3 to the power 5, times 3 to the power 12, 2 to the power 12, 5 to the power 3. So here it is. Now we need to simplify the power of primes. So we can say in numerator 2 only 1 2 is there, only 1 5 is there, and 1 3 is there with their respective powers. But denominator have 3 here 2 times. We know that these are all in multiplication, and when base are same, then in multiplication their powers got added. So 3 will be having the power 12. So let me write it. 2 to the power 28 times 5 to the power 10 times 3 to the power 12. Now 3 and this 3, if they both will get multiplied, their powers will be added, and that will turn out to be 3 to the power 12 times. If we take 5 over here and 5 from here, we will be having 5 to the power 7, 5 to the power 3. If both add, then it will turn out to be 5 to the power 10. Last we have 2 to the power 15 and 2 to the power 12. So we know that they will, when they will add, then they will turn out to be 2 to the power 27. We can see 5 to the power 10, 5 to the power 10 cancelled out, 3 to the power 12, 3 to the power 12 cancelled out. We are left with 2 to the power 28 and 2 to the power 27. So we can write it as log 2 to the power 28 over 2 to the power 27. And we know that if base are same and they are in division, so the powers will be subtracted. So we are having over here 2 to the power 28 minus 27. So we are left with log 2. So that's the answer for the given question.